And still on education, the ministry says it's working with administrators and hurricane victims living in school-based shelters to have normalcy resumed at the institutions following Hurricane Melissa. Permanent Secretary Dr. Kassan Troop says 8 schools remain impacted.
We still have 8 schools that are active shelters. The numbers have reduced significantly. For the entire of the 8 schools, we only have 93 shelteries in our schools. So we have one with 3, one with 1, one with 1, one with 7, one with 8. The highest number is still at Petersfield with 40 shelteries.
The government had initially given hurricane victims a deadline of December 31 to vacate the schools for the normal resumption of classes. However, not everyone was able to find another place to live. Dr. Troop acknowledged the situation as undesirable. However, she says principals are working to find alternative arrangements for the victims, some of whom attend the schools.
The people who we are helping as shelteries, they are parents and relatives of the children in our schools. They are relatives of teachers who work in our schools. So they are not strangers to the community. They are people that the school community know. Right? So we are grateful that as a ministry, we can support our people of this country who are in need at such a time like this. We do understand, though, the need for the access to the entire school plant, and efforts are underway interministerially to make sure that we can get the compounds back in full order as best as we can in the shortest possible time.